Welcome to our tutorial on adding and editing content on Swipecart's widgets. Most of the widgets of Swipecart come with the feature to add or edit the content inside the widgets. Widgets like carousel banner, collection grid, collection slider, product grid, product list, product slider, single banner, text widget, social links, text marquee, single product, and FAQ widget have this feature. Though all the widgets have this feature, they have slight differences in terms of how it works. Let us show you how it is done by taking carousel banner as an example. Go to App Design on your Swipecart dashboard. Select the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel, select carousel banner from the drop-down. Drag and drop a suitable carousel banner to the design space. On hovering over the carousel banner section, click Add/Edit Content. Here, you can perform two actions. Upload a suitable banner image or video. If needed, you can link it to a product, collection, page, or an external URL. Uncheck the internal linking box. Case 1. Uploading an image/video and interlinking it to any page. Ensure that the internal linking box remains checked. Now, select Upload an image/video to upload the desired banner from your computer. Now, select the product, collection, page, or external link to which you want to link the banner to. Select Add. The first banner is added. Now, repeat the same action till all your banners are added. You must add a minimum of 3 banners to create carousel banners. Once done, click Save Submit. Your banner is ready. Case 2. Uploading an image/video without any linking. Start by unchecking the internal linking box. Now, the option to link to a product, collection, page, or any external link is hidden. Now, select Upload an image/video to upload the desired banner from your computer. Select Add. Click Submit. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the uploaded images and videos in the carousel banner on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the carousel banner on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with customizing your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.